What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be building the Loudest 3.5-inch single exit exhaust for my big turbo 335 IS. Let's get started. First section's already done. We already have this, and then now we're just working on our pretty much our middle. See this ridge right here, it swoops up, so we're having to compensate for that angle right there. Yeah, that first start is gonna sound amazing. Look at that 4-inch shade. We should just leave it like that. That'd be funny if we just left it like that. People would think I'm crazy. Definitely cause attention. Look at that, that's crazy. We just left it just like that. Maybe we should. I might leave it like that. What do you guys think? Comment down below what you guys think about that like that. And you guys can see it goes all the way back to the 4-inch. So coming along real nice on the IS, as y'all can see. We're gonna decide how far we want this thing out. I might put it like right there. That should be good. But she gonna be a screamer. And I should have it come out right here, huh? Yeah, I should just run it like this for a little bit. But yeah, I think right here should be good. Like 4 inches out should be good. Damn, that thing looks solid. Not fully welded up, but we are gonna get a first start. That already sounds way better. Compared to that, it sounds completely different. High quality stainless steel from the downpipe back, angled 4-inch tip. Sounds really good. Put it under load. Not warm. It might not be warm. It's still king. Oh, you're right, huh? We are getting close. So we are single turbo, if you guys didn't know. Single turbo is right there. It's a bottom mount. You guys been following the channel and you guys know. But something special is coming in the engine bay soon. But we just got the exhaust all tacked up. It's not fully welded right now. Like I said, everything is just tacked up, so it's in the position where it needs to be. And we can see the fitment, so it's not touching anything, not rubbing, so it's not causing any rattle, stuff like that. But overall, everything is fully tacked up, and it just needs to get finished, welded all the way around, and should be ready to be back on the streets. But yeah, I'm very happy with the sound already. I'm scared to touch it. It's not too bad. The tip's not that hot.